cauliflower, green pepper, carrots, spinach, and potatoes, and an onion. That's what's going in the pot. Potatoes and onions, and I got a little sunshine all-purpose garlic, ginger, pineapple, and mango. I just want to now add a little salt and pepper. Okay, here's my veggies: corn, cauliflower, and green pepper, and then this, I got some spinach I'm gonna add in there. We got onions and potatoes over here cooking, and bacon fat. This is bacon grease. I always save it in a little bottle. After I cook it, I just use this to cook my potatoes. So I turned them down. I'm gonna cook them kind of slow, let them cook all the way through. So I got pepper, lemon pepper, and then I got this Sunshine by Tabitha. So we'll check back in once the potatoes are done. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in my cauliflower and corn. Carrots. I'm just doing veggies, you know. Well, no, I'm gonna add some meat too, but just throwing these carrots in. This is 2 carrots and 1 small cauliflower. And this is 3 small potatoes. And then I'm gonna add the bell pepper, the green pepper in as soon as this cooks down a little bit. So yeah, this is lunch. It's almost done. So we got the cauliflower and the carrots, green pepper, onion. We got potatoes. This is all cooking in chicken broth. I just got some chicken broth. Then I got the turkey. I'm gonna cut up and put it in there. And then this is my garnish: jalapenos and green peppers. Delish. Okay, everything's done. So now I'm just gonna add in the spinach and let that cook with that steam for a little while. And then we'll be back. We'll be back to eat. And just a little teriyaki sauce from Aldi's. Just a little. I'll add some when I serve the plate. Look at that. The spinach, turkey, sausage, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, onions, green peppers. This is what you call veggies. Stir fry edition. Yeah. What y'all having for lunch? What y'all got? Trisha Nash. Ooh. Ooh. Yum.